Good morning guys. Today I am with a PS4 board. In my last video you can find a video on my channel that a PS4 board was with no power, no standby light, and even it would not turn on or give any beep when I press the power button, because there was even no standby volts on this button, and the fault was of this south bridge. I changed the south bridge. After changing the south bridge, fault changed, and the fault change status was that when I press this button, it turns on and instantly off, showing the blue light. I can show you. Let's check. Here you can see that power is attached, and now I am going to turn it on. You can see that blue light glows up and then instantly off. Yes. So guys, one of my follower on my channel asked me to make a follow-up video of this fault. So I decided today to make this video, and I will not give it up until I will fix it completely. So this video is for Jackson Young, who asked me to make the follow-up video. So let's start. So first I will reball this processor, because there is some doubt that these power rails are not working fine. One of the reason is maybe that I can show you closely. The circuit design is you can see that this chip drives these power rails 1, 2, 3 and 4, and for giving all these jokes, or you can say that these FETs, these are 4 FETs, these 4 FETs are driven by this chip, and this chip got a 3-line data from this processor. If you can see how it works. The trace lines are actually under the third layer of this board, but I can simply guide you that in this board you cannot see the lines of data because it is under the third layer. Anyhow, I can guide you. These 3 points, these 3 points, this one and this one and this one, these are connected with this processor. If this data will not proper, then the power rails will not work in order. I need to reball this APU, and now I will not show you the video of reballing. You can find reballing video on my channel. First I need to clean the flux because it causes to heat up the processor without any reason. Now let's check it again, inserting the standby jack and the power jack. Hope it will be fixed. If not, and no problem, I will not give it up. Inshallah, we will fix it. I am going to insert the HDMI cable to after the whole process. The status is as it was before, no problem. Let's investigate it furthermore. You can see it on oscilloscope. I am going to on it. Yes, you can see the oscillation in order. Second one, it is not in order. Third, it is also not in order. Fourth, yes, it is working. And now come here for the 5-volt power supply. Need to check it. Yes, it's working. I can also check the output of 5-volt. Yes, good. Now these two supplies are for this APU's processor. We also must check it for input, choke input. Yes, it's working. You can see the oscillation. Yes, and the output is this. It should be 1.2 volt. Let's check. Yes, okay. Now the last one, we'll check for it. No, this one is not working fine. You can see that it jerks and instantly down again. And the output voltage no. So guys, all of these two rails are not working. This one is working, this is also good, and the 5-volt rail is also fine. But here you can see the CPU power supply that has 2 channels. This one is working fine, but this channel is not working. Or you can say the oscillation on the input point of this choke is not in order. So we need to check the source of oscillation, or you can say that the driver of these FETs that supplies oscillation to these two FETs. These FETs are this chip is driving. I hope that this chip is driving these FETs, and this one you can see this one is driving the other choke or other FETs. So we need to check the upper one, this one. Either what's the problem here. So guys, let me check it. This line is, where is line? Yes, this line is coming from the power source. It is connected with this capacitor. It is a feedback of this processor power supply to this chip, and on the other hand you can see also this line. This is output volts, and it is also a feedback to this chip. Maybe some feedback is not proper, or this processor is in a state of overcurrent. If this processor is short, the same status, there will be a same status. I reballed this processor, but I did not found any issue of shortage when I checked this processor. So we need to check this circuit deeply. Okay. Let's check for if you can see the oscilloscope. This resistor is our power supply source, it's good, and this one is power supply source, it's good. This one is gate output, it's good and also good. On the other hand, this one is gate, and this one is gate, it's good, and this one is good. Okay, now the point, come to the point that this is the feedback line. Yes, it is over, showing the overcurrent, and here is the curve. And when we'll check it, this line, this is also the same, and on the other side of this receipt, it is like this. Oh yes, it's mean there is some difference. Why? This line is not inclined like this. There is a difference. So need to check the value. Yes, this is giving us the value of 900. Yeah, 21K, 21.94K. You can see, and this one is 2.043K. Yeah, a hell of difference. And the other one is 2.6. This one is 8K. And this one is 7.98. This one is 12. Yeah, lot of difference. So I need to compare it with the other board. I have one. Now let's check on this board. This one is 2.044 kilo ohm, and this one is 0.45 K. It's mean it's in about 500 ohm. 500 ohm, and here it is 21. It is varying. Sometimes it shows 9K, sometimes 10K, then 20. Yes, I think we have reached to the fault. The reference oscilloscope shows. So guys, I'm going to change this resistor. Clearly you can see if this one is the resistor. It is doubtful. Let's change it. No, this. Yes, this board. I have changed this resistor, this one. This is the feedback from the CPU power supply to this chip, and got this resistance from this board. You can see this one. From here I take this resistance and put it on our faulty board. Okay guys, now let's check it. Now I will check it without fixing it on the heatsink. I will use my heatsink. And now, yes, you can see the white light. Okay. Okay guys, let's check the display. It is almost closed, so inserting power. And the HDMI. Now guys, hard disk is connected, and now I'm going to turn it on. Yes, hopefully we will see the display. Yes. Good. Now finally the controller is not syncing. Now I need to check either on safe mode it works or not. Yes, leave it after second beep. Now it should be on safe mode. Yes. Yes. Controller is working but in safe mode. Guys, now the third fault is of its NAND software that is bricked, and the portion of Wi-Fi, the software portion for Wi-Fi is corrupt. I need to make another video for this fault, and you can see also in next tutorial how can we fix this fault. Okay guys, I think this video will be very helpful for you. Keep in touch and please subscribe. Goodbye.